Have you ever wondered if there's a fast, accurate, and painless way to know how your fertility is doing? And what if I told you that new technologies are changing everything we thought we knew about this subject? No, we're no longer just talking about basic semen analysis done in conventional labs. Science has gone further. In this video, you're going to discover how artificial intelligence, portable devices, and genetic tests are transforming male fertility diagnosis into something more accessible, more reliable, and yes, even home-based. But before we dive into how these technologies work, here's a fact you might not know. Sperm quality has dropped by more than 50% over the past 40 years. According to a 2022 study published in Human Reproduction Update, that's right. And most men don't even realize it. The good news is that medicine is responding. And fast. Imagine being able to test your sperm at home with a small device attached to your smartphone. Sounds like science fiction. It's already real. Companies like Yo Home Sperm Test and Track Fertility have developed tools that measure sperm concentration, motility, and volume with surprising accuracy. And all of this in complete privacy. And there's more. Artificial intelligence is now being used to evaluate sperm shape and movement more precisely than ever before. A study published in Fertility and Sterility showed that AI-powered systems can detect patterns that human specialists often miss. This means fewer errors and better results. Another innovation is sperm DNA fragmentation testing. These tests check whether the genetic material inside the sperm is damaged, something traditional semen analysis can't detect. Why is this important? Because even if your sperm count is normal, damaged DNA can make conception difficult or impossible. These tests are especially helpful for couples dealing with unexplained infertility. And let's not forget about nanotechnology. Scientists are developing biosensors that detect fertility biomarkers, using minimal samples and delivering lightning-fast results. Stanford University, for example, has created a chip that identifies sperm defects faster than any previously used method. Now stop and think for a second. If all this technology is already available or about to be, why are we still stuck with the idea that investigating male fertility is something complicated or shameful? That stigma needs to end, and science is helping make that happen. These tools aren't just for detecting problems, they're also great for prevention and monitoring, giving men the power to make informed decisions about their reproductive health, whether they want kids now or later. Even better, this tech gives you control. You no longer need to wait through years of frustrating attempts to find out something's wrong. You can act today, with precision, with privacy, with cutting-edge science on your side. So if you want to better understand your fertility, or simply stay updated on what's new in men's health, you're in the right place. Drop a like. Share this video with someone who needs this information and comment below. Did you already know about any of these technologies? And if you want to learn how to improve your sperm quality with simple habits, stay tuned for the next video. Because here, information is clear, practical, and backed by science. Taking care of yourself is part of being a man. And it starts right here.